Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to insert live Google Maps location chips inside a Google Docs document. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click on the exact position in your document where you want to embed a physical address, venue, or landmark. Type the @ symbol on your keyboard to open the Smart Insert menu layout. Start typing the name of the place, business, address, or landmark into the search box, such as Eiffel Tower or a specific street address. Look through the search results section labeled Places and click directly on the correct Google Maps location entry from the drop-down list. Alternatively, if you already copied a Google Maps link to your clipboard, paste the URL directly onto your document page and click Tab on your keyboard when the Replace with a Smart Chip pop-up appears. A rich Google Maps location chip will instantly appear on your document layout, displaying the location name. Whenever you or your collaborators hover your mouse cursor over the Smart Location chip, an interactive pop-up preview card will display a live map snippet, photos, address details, and directions. Clicking directly on the map preview inside the pop-up card will open the side panel or redirect you straight to full Google Maps navigation without losing your document position. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.